probably. Oh no, they've gone, they go, Shit! I missed it completely. Fuck, that was so cool. It's now really sad that they've gone. Can you hear the car alarm?
Yeah.
Shit. And close the window before we get all smoke and dust in it. Did you get it?
Mm-hmm.